झाबुआ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिस्ट्री। प्राचीन और मध्यकालीन कुंवर केशव दास या किशन दास ने 1584 में झाबुआ की स्थापना की। वह मारवाड़ राजवंश के हैं। आधुनिक होलकर ने झाबुआ पर अधिकार कर लिया। बाद में यह 1817 एडी में ब्रिटिश संरक्षण के तहत आया और मध्य भारत की भोपावर एजेंसी के अधीन था और 1927 में यह मालवा एजेंसी का एक हिस्सा बन गया। स्वतंत्रता के बाद झाबुआ के अंतिम शासक ने 15 जून 1948 को भारतीय संघ में विलय के दस्तावेज पर हस्ताक्षर किए और मध्य भारत का हिस्सा बन गए। वर्तमान झाबुआ 1956 में मध्य प्रदेश का जिला बना। ज्योग्राफी। भौतिक विभाजन। झाबुआ मालवा के पठार का एक भाग है। संभाग। इंदौर संभाग के अंतर्गत। निकटवर्ती जिला रतलाम, अलीराजपुर, धार। सीमा गुजरात और राजस्थान राज्यों को छूती है। नदी अनस माही। खनिज रॉक फॉस्फेट, अभ्रक और डोलोमाइट यहाँ पाए जाते हैं। जनजाति। भारत के बहादुर धनुष पुरुष के रूप में जानी वाली भील जनजाति यहाँ निवास करती है। साथ ही भिलाला और पटेलिया भी यहीं रहते हैं। टूरिज्म एंड कल्चर। देवझिरी प्राचीन मंदिर और एक बारहमासी झरना यहाँ स्थित है। हलमा यहाँ रहने वाली जनजातियों की सामुदायिक परंपरा। भगोरिया हाट मेले का आयोजन यहाँ होता है। महुआ के पेड़ यहाँ प्रमुख हैं। कट्टीवाड़ा वन बड़े आकार और विभिन्न प्रकार के आमों के लिए जाना जाता है। झाबुआ की संस्कृति में पिथौरा दीवार पेंटिंग प्रमुख है। बंदर माता मंदिर, राम शरण भवन। डेमोग्राफी। कुल जनसंख्या 10,25,048। जनसंख्या घनत्व 285 प्रति वर्ग किलोमीटर। लिंग अनुपात 990, 5वीं रैंक। बाल लिंगानुपात 943। कुल साक्षरता दर 43.30%। इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। झाबुआ में प्रतिशत के मामले में दूसरी सबसे अधिक अनुसूचित जनजाति जनसंख्या है। मेघनगर औद्योगिक क्षेत्र झाबुआ में स्थित है। आदिवासी लोगों के जीवन पर फैसला मूवी यहाँ चल रही है। भारत का पहला जनजातीय अनुसंधान और संचार केंद्र ककड़नाथ चिकन की नस्ल झाबुआ से संबंधित है और हाल ही में जीआई टैग मिला है। पेटला वध राज्य का पहला आवासीय खेल विद्यालय झाबुआ में है। अलीराजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिस्ट्री। मध्यकालीन। आनंद देव राठौर ने 1437 में अलीराजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट। मध्यकालीन। आनंद देव राठौर ने 1437 में अलीराजपुर की स्थापना की। इसका नाम अली के किले और राजपुर की राजधानी से लिया गया है। आधुनिक यह भोपावर एजेंसी मध्य भारत एजेंसी का उपखंड के तहत एक रियासत थी। आज़ादी के बाद 1956 तक मध्य भारत का हिस्सा बना। वर्तमान झाबुआ से 17 मई 2008 को मध्य प्रदेश का 49वां जिला बनाया गया। ज्योग्राफी। निकटवर्ती जिला झाबुआ, धार और बड़वानी और इसकी पश्चिमी सीमा गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र को छूती है। जलवायु उष्णकटिबंधीय सवाना प्रकार। भौतिक प्रभाग। मध्य उच्च भूमि का पहाड़ी क्षेत्र भाग। संभाग। इंदौर संभाग के अंतर्गत। भाषा हिंदी। नदी माही उत्तरी सीमा से बहती है और नर्मदा दक्षिणी सीमा से बहती है। हथनी नदी पर जोवट परियोजना यहाँ स्थित है। खनिज डोलोमाइट पाया जाता है। जनसंख्या भील और भिलाला जनजाति का वर्चस्व है। प्रतिशत की दृष्टि से सर्वाधिक जनजातीय जनसंख्या। महुआ संयंत्र के उत्पादन में सबसे ऊपर, जिसका पेय हाल ही में मध्य प्रदेश सरकार द्वारा घोषित हेरिटेज ड्रिंक के रूप में बेचा जाना है। टूरिज्म एंड कल्चर। काठीवाड़ा विश्व प्रसिद्ध आम प्रजाति के लिए जाना जाता है, जिसे नूरजहां कहा जाता है। दक्षिण पश्चिम मानसून शाखा से अधिक वर्षा के कारण काठीवाड़ा को मध्य प्रदेश का चेरापूंजी कहा जाता है। यह प्राकृतिक जलप्रपात के लिए भी जाना जाता है, इसलिए इसे मालवा इलाके का कश्मीर कहा जाता है। चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद नगर भाभरा गांव का नाम बदलकर 2007 में महान भारतीय क्रांतिकारी चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद की जन्मस्थली चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद नगर कर दिया गया। आधार कांच गांव मोतियों की पारंपरिक गलसन माला के लिए जाना जाता है। लक्ष्मण तीर्थ मंदिर जैन मूर्ति कला के लिए जाना जाता है। मथवाड़ी में रानी काजल मंदिर। पॉलिटी तहसील 5 अलीराजपुर, जोबट, सोंडवा, काठीवाड़ा और चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद नगर। विधानसभा निर्वाचन क्षेत्र 2 अलीराजपुर और जोबट। इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट, लकड़ी की नक्काशी के लिए प्रसिद्ध, देश का सबसे कम साक्षर जिला। यहाँ पहला जनजातीय खेल विद्यालय स्थापित है। चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद नगर में दुनिया का पहला जनजातीय सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन। इसी जिले में विक्टोरिया ब्रिज बना है। धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट। हिस्ट्री एंशिएंट एंड मिडिवल्स। परमार्स रूल्ड द रीजन फ्रॉम 9th to 13th century. वाकपति मुंज excavated the मुंज सागर at धार. भोजदेव और परमार dynasty was most powerful ruler who made Dhar his capital. In 1305, Alauddin Khilji captured Dhar and subsequently it became a Suba of Malwa under Akbar. Modern. In 1832 AD, Dhar was given to Anand Rao Pawar. After the revolt of 1857, it came under British rule but later restored to Raja Anand Rao III Pawar. After independence, became a part of Central India Agency. Present. Separate district of Madhya Pradesh since 1956. Tourism and culture. Rani Roopmati's Pavilion in Mandu, Hindola Mahal, Jahaj Mahal, Husangsa Tomb, Asarfi Mahal and Riva Kund located at Mandu. Dhar Fort, built by Muhammad bin Tughlaq, MBT. Chira Bagh Palace, built by Pawars in 1860s. Bhojsala, built by Raja Bhoj. Saraswati statue established here. Lath Masjid, also known as Pillar Mosque. Bagh Caves, painting similar to Ajanta Caves. Phadke Museum, tomb of Bhakt Wara Singh, revolted against Britishers in 1857 from Ajmer, Dhar. Dinosaur Fossil National Park on bank of Bagh River, second largest fossil national park in MP. Chhappan Mahal Museum. Chaturbhuj Temple at Ajmer. Sardarpur Sanctuary, protection of Kharmor bird. Bajinath Temple Eco Point. Anand Nagari, Baj Bahadur Palace. Geography. Located on northern slopes of Vindhya Range. Physical division, part of Malwa Plateau Division under Indore Division. Adjacent district Ratlam, Ujjain, Barwani, Indore and Jhabua. River Mahi, Bagh, Natla, Man, Chambal, Narmada. Mahi River originates from Sardarpur of Dhar district. Mahi River, also known as Tourist River. Tribes. Region is dominated by scheduled tribes, mainly Bhil and Bhilalas. Demography. Total population 21,85,793, 7th rank. Population density 268 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 964. Child sex ratio 928. Total literacy rate 59%. Important points. Dhar is called as Somnath of Central India. Pithampur, located at Dhar, is the Detroit of MP. Mandu of Dhar is called as City of Joy. Asia's biggest auto testing track is in Pithampur, Dhar. Peshwa Bajirao II, born at Dhar. Dhar is famous for Bagh prints on clothes. Saurabh Verma and Sameer Verma, the international players of badminton, belong to Dhar district. Dhar district has maximum scheduled tribe population. Indore district. The city was called Indrapur after the name of Indreshwar Mahadev temple. History, ancient and medieval. Copper plate inscription mentioned about Gupta Empire in the region and mentions Indore as Indpur. Under Mughals, Rao Nandlal Chaudhary was the chief of Jamidars of Khampel, Indore. In 1733, Malhar Rao Holkar became the governor of the province. In 1767, Ahilya Bai Holkar began to rule and transferred her capital to Maheshwar. Modern. After Third Anglo-Maratha War in 1817 to 18, Holkars have to give a large territory to Britishers. After independence, Yashwant Rao Holkar II signed the Instrument of Accession to Indian Union on 1st January 1950. Indore became a part of Madhya Bharat. present. After reorganization in 1956, Indore became a separate district of Madhya Pradesh. Demography: total population 3 lakh 32 lakh 76,697, first rank. Population density 841 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 928. Child sex ratio 901. Total literacy rate 80.87%, second rank. Tourism and culture. Bada Ganpati Temple, one of the biggest statues of Lord Ganpati in the world. Chhatris, built in memory of Holkar rulers. Coral Dam, located in Mau. Tincha Falls, Mandavgarh Fort. Kanch Mandir, built by Sir Hukam Chand Seth. Lal Bagh Palace, built by Holkar dynasty. Patal Pani waterfall. Rajwada, popularly known as Holkar Palace. Annapurna temple is located here. Gomatgiri Jain temple, biggest Ashtadhatu Hanuman statue. Amir Khan Sangeet Samaroh held at Indore. Geography: physical division, part of Malwa Plateau. Division under Indore division. Adjacent district Ujjain, Khargone, Devas and Dhar. Rivers Khan, Saraswati, Gambhir. Chambal river originate from Jana Pav Hill, Mau, Indore. Chhipra river originate from Kakri Bardi Hill, Indore. Important institutions: IIM, Indian Institute of Management, established in 1996, and IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, in 2009. MP Finance Corporation and MP Share Market headquarters are located at Indore. Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission located here. Raja Raman Center for Advanced Technology, CAT. Weather Observatory in MP located in Indore. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar Institute of Social Science. Devi Ahilya Bai University, Cooperative Research Institute. Gems and Jewelry Park to be built in Indore. Important point: Indore is also known by different names such as Indore, Indreshwar, Mini Mumbai. It is the sports and financial capital of MP. Mau, birthplace of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar International Airport is in Indore. Electronics complex of MP. Rala Mandal Wildlife Sanctuary, smallest wildlife sanctuary of MP, is at Indore. Sirpur Bird Sanctuary. Maximum scheduled caste population reside in Indore in terms of number. Indore division has the largest population among 10 divisions of MP. Mangalaya Dry Port, which is first dry port of MP, is located at Indore. State's first swimming academy to be opened in Indore. Indore has first organic fertilizer plant. It is the birthplace of Lata Mangeshkar, Rahul Dravid, Salman Khan. MP's first cricket club was opened in Indore. Badwani. Name originated from the forest of bud, banyan tree, and vani, which is old word for garden. Hence city is known as Barwani, which means garden of buds. History: ancient and medieval. The district was under the rule of an independent chief, Maharaja Subandhu, in 468 AD. Then the rule of Sisodias was prominent. Afterwards, the Rana dynasty established their rule. Badwani is said to be established by Dhanak, and in ancient time it was called Awasgarh. Rana Chand Singh founded modern Badwani town in 1640. Modern Marathas ruled over the region from 1703 to 1823. After that, the area became part of British rule. Bhima Nayak led the revolt against Britishers. After independence, Badwani state was merged with the Madhya Bharat state, present, carved out of Khargone, West Nimar, to form separate district on 25th May 1998. Geography: Badwani is surrounded by Satpura in south and Vindhyachal in north, and Narmada flows through the northern border. Physical division: part of Satpura Mahakal range. division under Indore division. Adjacent district Khargone and Dhar. Border shared with Gujarat and Maharashtra. Akhrani range of Satpura Mountains is located in Barwani. River Narmada flows here. Waterfall Bandhan Falls. Language Hindi and Nimari. Barwani is famous for papayas. Demography. Total population 13,85,881. Population density 255 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 982, 7th rank. Child sex ratio 948. Total literacy rate 49.08%. Tourism and culture. Nagalwadi Bhilat Dev temple is located here. Pawan Gaja, also called Chulgiri, is an important Jain pilgrimage. World's tallest statue of Lord Adinath. माँ बड़ी बिजासन माता मंदिर. Panwargarh Fort, Ramgarh Fort, built by Sisodia dynasty ruler. Sendwa Fort. Important points. Barwani was also known as Padnagar and Siddhnagar. Trigola, a historic symbol, is built in memory of late son of Raja Ranjit Singh. Sagar Vilas Palace is located here. Barwani was known as the Paris of Nimar. State's Rice Research Center is located at Barwani. It is the birthplace of Indian revolutionary Bhima Nayak and Indian nuclear physicist Anil Kakotkar. Cotton Mandi is situated at Sendwa in Barwani. Khargone district, West Nimad. It is believed that the land was part of Arya and non-Varanasi civilization and therefore came to be known as Nimayati, which later became Nimad. History. Ancient. Khargone was under the Hayak of Mahishmati. Medieval. In the early medieval period, area was under the Parmars of Malwa and the Ahirs of Asigarh. Later it became a part of Malwa Sultanate of Mandu. In 1526, Akbar annexed this territory with whole Malwa to Mughal Empire. Modern. In 1778, Peshwa distributed this territory to Maratha ruler. It was second capital of Ahilyabai Holkar. After independence, Khargone district was a part of Narmada division of Central Province and Berar, which after independence became Madhya Bharat state. Present. In 1956, after reorganization, it became a separate district of Madhya Pradesh. Tourism and culture. Srimant Bajirao Peshwa Samadhi, Rawarkhedi, Khargone. Temples at Un. Famous place for Parmar Kalin Shiv Mandir and Jain temple. Parmar king Uday Aditya built these temples. Also it has Mahalakshmi temple, Baleshwar temple, Chaubara Dera 1st and 2nd. Santinath temple, Gwaleshwar temple located here, also called Pavagiri. Sahasradhara Maheshwar means 1,000 streams on river Narmada. Maheshwar, famous for gorgeous ghats and Maheshwari saris. Rajrajeshwar temple and Devi Ahilyabai Ghat located here. Devi Ahilyabai fort. Akhileshwar temple dedicated to Lord Ram. Ekmukhi Dutt temple. Narmada Ghat, Rajwada, Mandaleshwar, Navda Toli located in Maheshwar. It is a Chalcolithic era settlement located near Narmada river. Festival and fair. Nimad Utsav, Bhagoria, Gangur, etc. Geography. Physical division. Part of Narmada Son Valley division under Indore division. Adjacent district Indore, Khandwa, Burhanpur and Barwani. Border touches the state of Maharashtra. Rivers Veda, Kinda, Narmada, Malan. Minerals granite, quartzite, calcite. Dam Dejla Devada Dam on Kund river located here. Demography. Total population 18,73,046. Population density 233 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 965. Child sex ratio 938. Total literacy rate 62.70%. Important point: Khargone is known for production of cotton and groundnut. Cotton Research Center is located at Khargone. First mobile bank was established in Khargone named Lakshmi Wahini. First mega food park of state inaugurated at Khargone in 2016. CISF Central Industrial Security Force Training Center is located here. The temples at Un are similar to temples of Khajuraho. Khandwa district. History. Ancient traces of Paleolithic men are found in East Nimar, that is Khandwa district. Omkar Mandhata on the bank of Narmada river had been conquered by Hayyak king Mahishmant and he named it Mahishmati. During the period of Buddhism, the East Nimar region was included in Avanti kingdom of Chandpradot Mahasen. It was further ruled by Mauryas, Sungs, Satvahans, Kardamaks, Chaluks, Rashtrakoot, Parmars, etc. Medieval Adil Shah of Burhanpur accepted the suzerainty of Akbar and Khandwa was subsequently became part of Mughal Empire. In early 16th century, the region came under the control of Marathas. Modern in 1880, Marathas surrendered the region to Britishers and became a part of Central Province. Khandwa region was actively involved in the independence movement, whether it may be revolt of 1857, non-corporation movement or quit India movement. After independence, since it was a part of central province, it became a part of MP. Present in 1956, after reorganization, Khandwa became a separate district. Geography. Khandwa was a part of Nimar region and is called as East Nimar. Physical division. Part of Narmada Don Valley division under Indore division. Adjacent district Devas, Burhanpur, Harda, Khargone. River Sukta, Awana, Narmada, Choti Tawa, Siva River. Language Hindi and Nimari. Soil black soil. Crops cotton, chili and soya bean are grown prominently. Khandwa is known for the production of onion. Tourism and culture. Nakchund Dam, Ghantaghar built by Britishers in 1884. Dada Dhuni Wale Darbar, famous religious site houses Samadhi of Sri Dadaji. Gauri Kunj, dedicated to most iconic singer Kishore Kumar Ganguly. Tulja Bhavani Mata temple, built for Hindu goddess Bhavani and is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths. Navchandi Devi Dham, dedicated to goddess Shakti. Indra Sagar Dam, multi-purpose dam built on Narmada River in Punasa Tehsil of Khandwa. Sailani Resort, Hanumantiya Tapu Island in Khandwa, developed by MP Tourism Corporation. Omkareshwar Temple, one of the famous Jyotirlings dedicated to Lord Shiv, situated on Mandhata or Shivpuri, which is in form of Hindu symbol Om. Shankaracharya Caves and 24 Avatar Mandir located at Mandhata. Sant Singaji Samadhi is at Khandwa. Important point: Khandwa is also known as Golden City due to the production of cotton, which is one of the largest in India. India's first Jal Satyagrah was in Goghal village of Khandwa. It is first in production of ganja. Sant Singaji thermal power plant is located here. Prominent personalities Kishore Kumar, Ashok Kumar, San, Anup Kumar were born in Khandwa. Thank you. Burhanpur district, named after Sufi Sant Burhan Uddin. History. Ancient and medieval. Burhanpur was an important city under the Rashtrakoot dynasty. In 1388, Malik Nasir Khan of Faruqi dynasty, Sultan of Khandes, discovered Burhanpur. In 1601, Mughal Emperor Akbar annexed Khandes Sultanate and Burhanpur became the capital of Khandes Suba. Modern. In 1720, the city was taken by the Marathas Peshwa Baji Rao. Then it came under Sindhiyas and Holkar and in 1880 handed over to Britishers. After independence, it was a part of central India and became a part of Madhya Pradesh after reorganization. Present carved out of Khandwa on 15th August 2003 and became a new district of MP. Geography: Burhanpur is situated near the bank of Tapti River. Physical division: Satpura Maikal Range. Division: Indore. Adjacent district: Khandwa and Khargone. Border touch state of Maharashtra. River: Tapti, Utavali, Mohna. Climate: moderate. Language: Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Urdu. Tourism and culture: Asirgarh Fort, built by Asa Ahir of Ahir dynasty, also called as Gateway to the South. Shahi Killa, ruled by Shah Jahan and his wife Mumtaz, died here. Jama Masjid, Dargah-e-Hakimi, Ahu Khana, Deer Park, Kundi Bhandara, elaborate system for transportation of water in Mughal time, tomb of Shah Nawaz Khan, also called as Black Taj Mahal. छतरी ऑफ राजा जय सिंह, बिल्ट बाय औरंगजेब. बीबी की मस्जिद, आदिल शाह का मकबरा, मुमताज़ टॉम्ब ऑफ दौलत खां लोधी. इच्छा देवी टेम्पल. Important point: National Newsprint Factory is located at Nepa Nagar, Burhanpur. First thermal power plant of state located at Burhanpur. Chandni Thermal Power Plant at Nepa Nagar. Burhanpur is famous for its textile industry. It is largest producer of bananas. Burhanpur is hub of power loom industry. Cotton and oil mills are located here. Tapti Mills, one of the projects under National Textile Corporation, is in Burhanpur. The district is also called as Bunkeron ka Shahar. First Unani Medical University is established here.